So it's time for a new gun video, and this time we will try to make the casting for our trigger guard. The last casting for the butt plate went horribly wrong because I overheated the brass, so this time I will be more careful. First making the mold and then start heating the furnace, because otherwise if I take too long with the mold I overheat the brass and then it starts bubbling and the zinc content will burn out, so that will cause a lot of pressure in the mold and not very nice. So now we start making the mold. So I did the casting, and hopefully this time it went right. Looking a little bit strange, but I hope when I open the mold that it will look right. Oh, don't look too bad. The tail. Yeah. The tail don't went out right. So you see the middle part looking pretty nice, but the tail here went out terribly wrong. So one more try, but not today. So due to the fact that the casting went terribly wrong, yeah, we will do something else. Like milling the slots. Milling the slots for the underlugs. Oh, half a millimeter difference should be okay. So instead of the casting of the trigger guard that went horribly wrong, we did something else. So we did the milling for the growth, for the underlugs. And I think they went out pretty well. So that should be enough for today. Until next time.